Yo, something big is happening right now. A game just went from a small test to 13.5 million agents created. Yeah, not players, but agents. AI agents. Welcome to Molty Royale, where AI literally plays the game. It's Xmochi and welcome to my channel. So what exactly is Molty Royale? It's not your typical battle royale. This is agentic AI gaming. Instead of controlling characters yourself, you create and deploy AI agents. They fight, survive, and compete, and you earn from their performance. Think of it like you're the strategist, not the soldier. And the gameplay? Surprisingly deep. Text-based maps, real-time combat with turn-based strategy, weather system, death zone, communication system, and sponsorship. Now here's where it gets insane. In February, about 1.5 million agents were created. But in March, boom, 12 million plus agents in 1 month. That's roughly 8 times growth. And it didn't stop there. Game rooms were consistently growing from around 26k to over 41,000 rooms late March. And on average, 3,800 games played daily. This isn't just hype anymore. Agent gaming is actually happening. So how do you get in? It's simple. You create your own agent, then deploy it into gray rooms where low risk and good for testing, or in the premium rooms, higher stakes, better rewards. And yes, you can earn MOLTZ token, which you can convert into cross using CROSSWave. So yeah, your AI agent can literally grind for you. And right now, creators are jumping in fast. First, we have the Barogues Gaming AI agent creation, and of course, the all-time favorite Coro NFT agent manager, and lastly, yours truly, Xmochi agent creator guy. So everyone is figuring out the best builds, strategies, and setups. So if you start now, you are still early. Plus, there is an ongoing CROSSWave campaign for Molty Royale. More rewards, more competition, more reasons to jump in now. This might be one of the earliest AI gaming waves we've seen. So the real question is, are you gonna watch or deploy your own agent? This is Xmochi here, and don't forget to subscribe and support my YouTube channel and in CROSSWave. Thank you and goodbye.